Alright, you guys. Hi. Today I am gonna wax my body. I have to pee really bad. I'm about to go to Sally's because I need to get a wax pot. I'm ready to go get a wax pot, some wax, and that's pretty much it. I just want to wax my body. I want to wax my brows, even though I kind of did my brows last night. I shaped and tweezed them last night, but I want to wax them so they can look a little bit more clean. I want to wax my Brazilian area, and then I want to do my legs because I haven't had my legs waxed since I was in esthetician school, and I was in esthetician school in 2019. So yeah, we got to get all that wax. This was like a spur of the moment thing. I didn't really have much planned, but yeah, I'm gonna drive to wherever I'm going, and I'll talk to you when I get there.
I'm trying to see what you trying to do. I'm trying to see what you trying to do. Just like
That's not fun. Okay, so I'm at where I need to be because I'm gonna buy a wax pot and then some waxes. I think I have to go to the dollar store too because I don't have any popsicle sticks. Yeah. Ooh. He just pulled up next to me like that. Okay, but I'm ready to go into Sally's, get this wax, and come back. I'll show you when I get back. I'll show you when I get in the house because I don't feel like blowing it no more in the car. I don't want to do it no more. So I'm gonna show you when I get home.
number one, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, you really what the streets want, man, stop the fuck. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing, bitch.
Oh, it's so tiny. This thing is little. Oh my god. Oh, this gotta go. I'll let that warm up. Oh, while it's warming up, I'm gonna do my underarms first. Yeah, I'm gonna do my underarms first because they look bad. I'm gonna take some witch hazel. I wax my underarms all the time. I just make my own wax. This is the first time I actually bought wax. These are the sticks I got. They're smaller than the ones I prefer, but it's okay. This wax is gonna take some time to heat up. I'm gonna do a patch test so I don't burn myself. Oh, fuck, that's hot. That is hot. Not my stick breaking. I need some chapstick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. I need bigger popsicle sticks. That hurts. It's not bad though. It's not bad. We're gonna keep going. That was a good one. Ooh. It's so bald. One armpit done. That was 2 minutes, girl. This is what it look like. That's my underarm. Look at the difference. I love it. Yes. 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 Oh my god. It's so hard to do this on yourself. I'm using the same strip because these things ain't cheap. Okay. Okay. Get in there. I don't know why I'm leaning back. Guess because my niggas don't dance. Oh, that's blood. That is blood. Somewhere in there. Got a little too happy. It's okay. It's hard to do it with your non-dominant hand. Like, these sticks are too small. There we go. That's done. Period. Okay, I got olive oil. Oh, hold on. It's gonna do all this first. I ain't got the right oil for this. I'm just getting the wax off. This is not how I wax clients, I swear. That feels girl. That feels outstanding. That is how you wax an underarm. Yes. Okay, I'm on the toilet. Because that's the only way I can do this for real. Oh my god, I should probably trim. I'm gonna have a heart attack. This is already a bloodbath. Oh my god. Witch hazel. Should I just leave my butt? I'm gonna leave my butt. I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, these hairs are way too long. Oh my god. This gonna hurt like hell. The hell? Why did I do this? Oh my god, this is gonna hurt. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Okay, that did not feel good. It didn't feel good. Ooh, it's smooth as hell though. It wasn't that bad. These popsicle sticks are too small. I see what Bree was talking about. When your hair too long, it start pulling. Oh my god, it's like when you ready to pull it, it just, your whole mentality change. Okay, one. Ooh, that make you want to fight. Ow, it does not feel good. It looks so good. It looks good. We on the top area now, kind of. Oh, this gonna hurt like a muff. Nah, yo. I'm ready to be hooting and hollering. Hold on. I really need some chapstick. I need some chapstick, girl. 1, 2. Oh my god. It's like every time you be ready to pull it, it just... 1, 2. Hold on. 1, 2. Alright. The rule is if you start bleeding, that's because your hair was too long. Or at least that's what they told me when I was in school. I don't know if that's really true or not. I had a cramp. I had a cramp in my leg. Oh my lord. Okay. Can I just pull from... No, I can't. Okay. I should have put gloves on. My hands covered in wax. I just pulled everything. That hurts so bad. Maybe I'm a masochist because I like it. It's going well so far. Okay. I am definitely sweating now. I'm sweating. Oh, I touched the wax with my hand. Move, girl, fast, fast, fast. This isn't even fun no more. I'm not having a good time. Ah! 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 Lord, that hurt. I didn't even get everything. You know what? It's gonna stay like that too, cause who finna change it? Not me. We almost done the top. It look good. Now from the top, make it drop. I gotta talk to myself so I don't start crying. You know what? I was ready to say, like, don't do this at home. I'm a licensed professional, but, like, even licensed professionals shouldn't even do this. Like, get some help. Like, literally. Like, get somebody else to do it. This looks inappropriate. Oh my god, oh my god, my skin. My skin is wet, so it's not pulling. Oh my god. My worst nightmare. From me sweating. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, baby, I love the way. Does not feel good. I keep on falling in and out. I missed some hairs, but it's okay. I'm not doing this shit again. Wait, I should powder down first. Hold on, let me powder down. Oh. Oh my
on the floor. Okay. Okay, this is like my thigh area. Oh my god. I'm wasting strips. I gotta stop playing. That ain't right. Oh my, everything is sticking to each other. I should have had gloves on, girl. I keep on falling. That's hard. Oh, there's a lot of blood. At least I ain't crying like I normally am. I need like my leg to like break off and stay in the air. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That looked great. I think I'm applying this wrong because everything upside down to me, so I can't, I don't know. Girl, I shouldn't be doing my own Brazilian. My whole coochie lip, is on this strip right now.
And I'm ready to give up!
Oh my god, my whole life just flashed before my eyes. My mouth is watering. Hold on, I gotta keep pulling. Yo, my whole coochie. The whole lip. Okay. Hold on. Whole coochie lip just gone. Gone with the wind. I wish I could just... Okay. I'm gonna fall into the bathtub. Okay, that's good enough. I can't do any further because I can't see. Where the olive oil at? Bring out the dancing lobsters. Okay, that was the whole video. I hope you like it. If you don't follow me, I gotta go. Bye.